My brother-in-law installed this cover on his Ram, and I just wanted to give you a closer look. He is happy with it. So this is a retractable hard tonneau cover. It's designed to fit Dodge Ram 1500 trucks, and right away it feels solid. The whole thing is built with aluminum, so it's not just lightweight, it's also really durable. The panels are made with these interlocking aluminum slats that create a tight seal. So they're tough against rain, dust, and pretty resistant to tampering. What's nice is the built-in locking system. Once it's closed, it stays secure, which gives you a little extra peace of mind, especially if you're storing tools or anything valuable in the bed. It also has a sealing and drainage system, so water doesn't sit there. It actually gets directed away, keeping everything inside dry. Design-wise, it sits almost flush with the truck bed, so it looks really clean. It has a matte black powder-coated finish. Definitely helps protect against scratches and corrosion, and it can actually support up to 600 pounds of evenly distributed weight, which is pretty impressive. Using it is super simple. You just unlock it and it smoothly retracts into the canister near the cab. No folding, no snapping, no heavy lifting. And it doesn't block your rear window when it's open, which is a big plus. And installation is straightforward. No drilling required. It clamps right into place. Overall, if you want something that feels secure, looks clean, and easy to use every day, this one seems like a really solid option.